Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I've got this month's Boxycharm to open with you. So this is Boxycharm for February.
If you're not familiar, then Boxycharm is a subscription box. Can I say Boxycharm one more time?
So if you aren't familiar with what Boxycharm is, it is a beauty subscription box that typically has 4 to 5 full-size products, and it's only $21 a month. I find that this is always my favorite one because it's not that expensive and you always get way more than what you pay for. So let's go ahead and open this one up. There's a card. So this one's called Galaxy Glow. It's got the products on it, but I'll refer to that if I need to. First, I see a Pure Exfo Lips Lip Plumping Exfoliator. So it looks like this. And as you can see, I've got a little foundation on, so I'd love to go ahead and use this. My lips have been a little bit dry lately, so this is going to be good to try out. So it's got like a little grit to it. I like how convenient this is, especially like when I have makeup on right now and I'm like, ooh, my lips need exfoliation. I can do this versus pulling out a lip scrub that I would typically use when I don't have makeup on, like Jeffree Star. I love them, but they can be a little bit messy. And this retails for $17. It says an instant boost of shea butter, raw sugar, and exfoliating beads. Ooh, it's a 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil which exfoliates, plumps, hydrates, and soothes. Okay. I'm just using a little makeup remover cloth to wipe away that excess. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop on this ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip, and this is in the shade Barracuda. The next item in here is the CoverFX Shimmer Veil. This is the shade Amethyst. So this is what it looks like. It looks really pretty. And I kind of just did a very simple eyeshadow so that I could apply this. And I'm just gonna go in and see what happens. I know that these are really new. I think at Sephora we've only had them probably 2 months. Maybe not even 2 months. It's not been long at all. So I'm kind of using it like I usually do the Stila Magnificent Metals. I don't know if that's going to work the same way. It's kind of similar. And this is really pretty though. And this goes for $28. Oh, that's expensive. It's a multi-use shimmering cream color or crease proof, enough for the boldest of eye looks and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face. Okay, so you can use this as a highlight, I guess, as well. Let's do the other eye. Next thing I see is this Vintage by Jessica Libeskind. I think that's how you pronounce that, Libeskind. It's a smoky eye pencil in jet black, and that's what it looks like. Cute little packaging, looks very simple. I am gonna go in and try it out on the waterline. It says richly pigmented smoky eye pencil delivers intense jet black definition. So this is $21. I think that's kind of a lot for a brand you haven't heard of. So I'm smudging that along the lash line, but also putting it a little bit in the waterline too. Putting that just in the outer corner on the top, and then I'm going to use an angled brush to smudge that in. Don't have to tug with that, so that's nice. And I'm going to pop on one of my favorite mascaras. This actually came in a previous Boxycharm. So we're going to put some of this on. The next thing in the box is 3 crown brushes. So this is the 3-piece brush trio. These look a lot like my Wet n Wild brushes. This is the powder brush from Crown, and here's the Wet n Wild. That's pretty similar. They're flat on the bottom though. You get 3 pieces. You get this larger brush that would probably be for powder. You get a smaller one. I think I would maybe contour with this one. And then you get what looks like a little flat eyeshadow brush. So not a bad combination there, really cute. The next thing I see is a little Ofra blush. So Winter Rose Glow. Okay. Let's pull that out. Definitely pop some of this on. there's that. Got a little mixture of a look going on. It comes with the Ofra palette. So this looks like a magnetic palette. So there you go. Cool. And it says with this, the pop-up palette mini retails $19 and the blush refill is $12. So not a bad deal. $127 value in this box. So that's really great. Just for the sake of using this blush, I'm going to use the powder one to put on some blush. Ooh, really coated that brush there. Definitely could be used as a blush brush. Pretty. Ooh. I don't know how I love this color with the rest of the look I have on, but they blend really, really nicely. Also got the setting spray in a previous Boxycharm. They always send me the most amazing products. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this look with Ofra's Glazed Donut Highlighter. This is the Nikki Tutorials, one of those. So pretty. Alright guys, that is everything for this month's Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing it. I always look forward to getting my Boxycharm, and I'm always like looking for all the sneak peeks for the next month, and I've already seen a couple and they look pretty good. So I will definitely link Boxycharm down below if you want to check it out. I also have a giveaway going on right now that has a lot of great products in it, so be sure to check that in the description box as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave me a thumbs up if you like this type of video, and I will see you next time. Bye!